Welcome to Nexals, the most convenient way to exchange and organize your business cards and contacts. First, create your own Nexals card. Add your work details, phone numbers, email addresses, website, and social media profiles. For a more personalized touch, you can add a photo, logo, or both to your card. Your card style will adapt its layout to the information you put in. If you're a premium subscriber, you can create multiple cards for different purposes, and can also customize them with different colored templates. Once you have a Nexals card, you can share it with a new contact with a tap. Use the QR code to share with one person, or provide your Nexals ID to share your card with a whole group simultaneously. You can also send your card to any nearby Nexals users in case you forgot to share it in person. Nexals also helps you organize your existing network. Whenever you receive a paper card, you can use Nexals to capture the contact information and store it in the app. Nexals reads names, phone numbers, email addresses, and more. No matter where your cards came from, Nexals lets you organize and manage all of your contacts in one place. Quickly sort by name, company, or title, or use the search option if you're looking for a specific contact. When you're viewing a contact's card, you can start a call, text, or email with just a tap. Nexals puts all of your business contacts right at your fingertips. Download it for free today to take advantage of the most convenient and powerful way to network.